Okay, so we want to give the symbol of a formula or species that will reduce Mn2 to Mn. Okay, so we want to go from Mn2 plus to Mn, but not Fe2 plus to Fe. Okay, so we would look for something in between those two. So we've got manganese going to Mn here, and we've got iron 2 going to iron right there. Okay, so let's take a look at that, and let's kind of look at our table. Remember, as we go down, we go up, something's happening here. So up at the top here is going to be the stronger oxidizing agent, and stronger oxidizing agents always produce the weaker reducing agent. So that's a reducing agent, that's an oxidizing agent. This is weaker. Okay, so as we go down, these are going to be our weaker oxidizing agents, and they always are going to produce, as we go down here, stronger reducing agents. In other words, these would have a tendency to go that way. All right, so let's just take a look at these two reactions. We've got something in between them. We've got these two. So what we're looking for is something that will reduce. These are reductions, so I need a reducing agent. Okay, so what would my reducing agent be? Would it be chromium 3 or would it be chromium? Well, chromium is the one that's going to give away electrons. So is chromium, which is a reducing agent, will chromium reduce manganese 2? Will that work? Will this reaction happen? Will it go? So what would we produce? Well, we would produce chromium 3 plus manganese, the element, manganese not. Okay, will that reaction occur? Well, it will occur if these are weaker. Okay, so is this a weaker oxidizing agent? Chromium 3, is that a weaker oxidizing agent than manganese 2? And the answer is it is not. It's a stronger oxidizing agent than manganese 2. So this is not going to happen. No reaction. What about the other reaction? Would chromium reduce iron 2? Okay, what would we get in this case? So let's make sure that's no reaction. So chromium, again, would become chromium 3, and iron 2 would be reduced to iron. Okay, and we would have to balance it. These reactions are not balanced. So let's just say that because we're just trying to see if this would happen. So let's see. Chromium 3, this is a weaker oxidizing agent than iron 2. This is a stronger oxidizing agent. So this reaction would happen. But that's not what this question is asking. It's wanting something that will reduce Mn to Mn0, Mn2 to Mn0, that's the manganese ion, and would not reduce iron 2 to iron. Well, in this case, there is none. There is nothing that will do that, because the reason is manganese 2 is a weaker oxidizing agent than iron 2, which means that manganese metal is a stronger reducing agent than iron metal. So anything in between would would oxidize iron, but not manganese.